my name is Alex Rockwell, and this is my Module 3 practice response. For my STEM activity, I chose one from Teach Engineering about 3 different types of erosion: chemical erosion, wind erosion, and glacier erosion. And basically the students would rotate through 3 different rotations in order to get hands-on experience with these different types of erosion. So the first one is chemical erosion, where you can see here I have some limestone and some calcite, and then an acid. I have vinegar there and an eyedropper. And when you drop the acid onto the different surfaces, you can see if chemical erosion is happening. You can actually hear it. I know you probably can't hear it in my video, but in the dish, I could definitely hear it fizzing on the calcite. I also have wind erosion, which is very simple. I just have a pile of sand where you would use either a fan, a handheld fan, or you could just blow on the sand and have it act as wind erosion would in the desert on sand dunes, things like that. And the last type is glacier erosion, where I just took modeling clay, ice, and sand, and you can see that how the ice actually broke down the modeling clay a little bit here, and how glacier erosion affects its surroundings. So after looking at the 3 different approaches, I decided that this would be best implemented as a thematic unit or the multidisciplinary approach. So you can see here I did erosion in the center. Science would be the hands-on erosion demonstrations that I just showed you. In language arts, they could very easily read a nonfiction article about erosion or anything like that. In social studies, you could look at a map of where different types of erosion occur. Obviously, we're not going to have glacier erosion in Pennsylvania, so they could use the skill of reading a map in order to discuss that aspect of erosion. And actually on the Teach Engineering website, it comes with a math worksheet with a bunch of word problems, like 2 pages worth of word problems, where students are figuring out the cost of damage that erosion has caused, or the area that erosion has affected. So different real-life application math problems related to erosion. So this is very easily implemented in all subject areas. Using the curriculum unit analysis here, as you can see, most of mine are the multidisciplinary or the thematic units here. Some of them I probably could have put as interdisciplinary because you need the knowledge that you get in science of what erosion is and those different types of erosion. I think that hands-on experience would help you understand the map better, would help you understand the math questions, help you understand the article or the story that you're reading in language arts. So while yes, all of the instruction is happening in the individual classes, it does sort of move into that interdisciplinary where they do all work together and you need the knowledge from one to fully understand the other. So thank you, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions.